Good morning, all. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Starwa app to log your activity. Once you install the Starwa app from the Play Store, you can go and search for the Starwa app. So then you can find the symbol. So once you click on that, you can it will take it to your Starwa page. There are five options is available: feed, explore, record, and profile, trading, right? So in this you need to know only two things. One is the explore and the record. So first let me tell you what you need to do in the explore. In the explore page, once you click that explore page, you can able to find for you challenge, club, and segment in these tabs, right? So out of this, since we have created SGRE Runner India as a club for this 100 days challenge, you can click on that club. Since I am already there in the club, I can able to see two of the clubs which I already enrolled. Since if you are not enrolled so far in the club, you can go and search for the clubs SGRE Runner. So you can find as in the under SGRE, these are all the clubs already active. So out of this, the SGRE Runner India and SGRE Cycling India are the two clubs which we recently created, right? If you are interested in running, you shall a member. You can member in both also. So there is no limitation for that. If you want to click on that, then it will take it to the SGRE Runners India page. I was already registered in this, so it was showing for me. If it is not, you will be prompt with the request button. Once you give a request, this will land to our admin control. Once we admit you, then you can able to see you will be the part of SGRE Runner India, right? This is for a runner, and similar thing you can do it for cycling also. If you want to enroll yourself in the cycling app, then you enroll here, and your activities will be tracked under this group. So once you did this, then I'll tell you that how you are going to log your activity. So if you press this record button, there you can find four tabs. So that is here you need to choose which type of activity you are going to do, that run or ride. So other than these two, don't select any of the walk, hike, or anything. That will not be counted for your personal activity. If you want to do it for this 100 days challenge, don't please stick with the run and ride. So since I am doing running, I already chosen the run. Now I am going to start this activity, and tracking this app, tracking your activity recording in this app is mandatory to you have to be open to the sky. So then only GPS will track your activity. Indoor activity will not be captured in this app. So once everything is set, then you have to start the start button. Then the count will be started, and this will be keep on going till end of the activity. Before that, you want to pause for a moment, then you just click it. This will be go in the pause mode, right? And here also it will show, right, stopped, like that it will showing. So if you want to resume again, you press it resume to continue the activity. Or else, if you at the end of the activity, if you want to close it, then you click the finish app. Then it will come to the details collection of the activity. So whatever the name you want, you can put it here. Preferably you can mention it here, how many how many days of run, right? For example, second day of 100 days run, third day of 100 days run, like that. If you put it, that will be tracking. It is easy for you. And you can interestingly, you can add your photos. Whatever you want, you can add it in the photo from the gallery. And select type also, you can select it long run or none, whatever it may be. So this will not be accounted, and this will be for your own, and you can give a rating for your own activity also. Once you complete this, you just save it. Then your activity will be posted into the group, right? In the clubs, you can go and see what are all the who are all run latest, who did the running latest. And if you want to see some particular activity, then you just click on to that activity, then it will take it to the next deeper level of analysis. If you go and see that view analysis, the Prabhakaran analysis, we are just seeing what is the pace he has run and which kilometer having a which pace and what is the average pace and everything. This kind of analysis which is possible, right? So I hope you will understand. And other than this profile is there you can go and see your own activity. So either running or walking, how much you did, or what is the cycling you did, totally how much week this, everything will be, this will be your own interest actually. So based on your own interest you go and explore. So up to this, another thing, you can see the leaderboard also. Once you logged into that, you can see the leaderboard, so that you can rate yourself in which position you are there, and how many of them is running leading you, how much kilometers they have completed and how much you have completed. This kind of information you can get it from the club leaderboard, right? I hope this video will help you. If anything is there, please reach me. And tomorrow, we are going to February 14th. We are going to start our 100 days run. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.